Crypto coins stay a top decision for financial backers because of their rewarding open doors. While there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout, numerous financial backers see extraordinary expected in different coins. Digital currencies like the torrential slide have turned into a top pick for financial backers. The prevalence of the torrential slide network has been ascribed to its hardy essentials and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange velocities and adaptability. With an ongoing return for money invested of 3,337.96%, the organization is definitely worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed fundamentally, offering a phenomenal possibility for what's in store. Be that as it may, completing expected level of effort is fundamental prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about verifiable value patterns and specialized investigation to know the best chance to trade your crypto coin. We will talk about the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can think up an optimal system for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide outline. To start with, we want to get an outline of the coin to grasp its general advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. In this manner, it has turned into the top pick for the majority financial backers as of late. The ongoing cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto environment. The organization has a core supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide has expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's as of now in a solid vertical pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% somewhat recently. This unexpected drop has made the coin turned into a decent purchase, a valuable open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have definitely fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2nd. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed towards speeding up the reception of its creative subnet usefulness. This permits a rich biological system of blockchains to be constructed. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivator program is to help the advancement of new environments. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a Web3 dApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the digital money known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% on the off chance that the organization's improvements proceed. In any case, assuming the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the money devalues, then it could drop to $13.76. In light of the potential situations as a whole, the normal cost of the cryptographic money by 2023 could be around $14.74. Financial backers ought to recall that these costs are liable to change because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is crucial to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your venture. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. Specialists and experts have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024, since the fame and the attention to computerized resources would expand. The interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. Thusly, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid basics of the organization could prompt more acknowledgments and new appropriations, which would push the cost of the cryptographic money higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolic's worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65, on the off chance that the crypto resource goes through huge liquidations. The cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. Notwithstanding, to keep up with its worth, a balance in the exchange practices of the business could assist the cryptographic money with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. It is verifiable in the expectation of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to dissect the verifiable information of the cryptographic money. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. On the off chance that the altcoin gets impacted by bad opinions or administrative limitations, the cost of the digital money could tumble to $22.77. In any case, in the event that it can defeat these deterrents, the cost of the digital money could reach $25.31. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and digital money will increment altogether by 2025. Subsequently, there is a decent opportunity that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion sought after for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. In any case, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin on account of these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements in the monetary circumstance that will affect the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide long haul conjecture 2030. Since there are no set boundaries or key execution markers, it turns out to be moderately difficult to foresee the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Not at all like stock. No monetary records, explanations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By and by, we have gathered information from different examination apparatuses to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most elevated exchanging worth can be around $930, while the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will more often than not contribute for a lengthy period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide value examination. The torrential slide digital money was disclosed in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a quick flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 constantly 7-day stretch of February. Be that as it may, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an untouched high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some highs and lows, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022. The unpredictability of the cryptographic money market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Given the ongoing great market cap, this present time is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource, albeit the cost of Avax has dropped by 4.7%, still a wise speculation for those are hoping to add a couple of currencies to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin changed between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been credited to the rising number of exchanging meetings. As indicated by the ongoing information, the volume of exchanges has expanded fundamentally during the beyond 4 months. The absolute inventory and the size of the market are a portion of the variables that impact the cost of the altcoin. On May 4, 2022, crypto venture company Valkyrie uncovered that it would start offering institutional financial backers the valuable chance to partake in the advancement of the torrential slide trust. This organization will permit them to get more openness to the blockchain innovation. It likewise opens up additional entryways for future undertakings inside the environment. Torrential slide expectation end. The prominence of the Avax coin is rising essentially, and numerous financial backers are hoping to put resources into it. In any case, directing a gamble examination for this DEFI token is fundamental to survey every one of the dangers that accompany this speculation. Since crypto coins are profoundly unstable, we can see